Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a practical upgrade for your auto shop that can make a real difference. Installing a Viver automatic water drain filter and PVC pipe fitting for your air compressor. Ever noticed how moisture can sneak into your air lines, potentially affecting your tools and paint jobs? It's a common challenge, but thankfully, a straightforward solution. By adding a water filter, you're creating a crucial barrier, curing cleaner, drier airflows to your equipment. This not only protects your valuable tools from rust and damage, but also leads to more consistent and professional results. Whether you're painting, inflating tires, or using air-powered tools, setting up a high-pressure PVC flex pipe. Fitting for this system is surprisingly simple and incredibly effective. It provides a robust and reliable way to integrate the filter into your existing air compressor setup. Think of it as giving your air supply a much-needed spa treatment, removing impurities and ensuring optimal performance. This small investment in time and materials can save you a lot of headaches and costly repairs down the line. We'll walk through the process, making it accessible even if you're not a seasoned plumber. Get ready to experience the benefits of cleaner air and better tool longevity. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this guide empowers you to tackle this upgrade with confidence. If you found this helpful, consider giving us a follow for more practical tips and tricks to optimize your workspace. Use soapy water chick for any air leaks.